feel after coming here? I think this is the first time you are coming here, so how do you feel?
I feel absolutely wonderful. I wish I could spend a little more time here. When I was very small, my father used to tell me about Sheikh Mujibur Rahman ji, and yeah, he used to talk very highly of him, so I'm very happy to be in his land. I want to thank Sheikh Hasina ji for being so kind to us, and more than anyone else, I want to thank all the people of Dhaka in Bangladesh. I wish I could have stayed, but I'll come back for a holiday with the children and my wife. But it's really wonderful. It was one of my dreams. I wanted to come earlier, and Chaudhary Saab had told us that we can come earlier, but I got a little busy with work. My friend had fallen sick, but it's really nice, and inshallah I'll keep coming back to Bangladesh.
Then what about the crowd?
Oh, they're fantastic. 70,000 people, wonderful. There were a lot of items that I was not supposed to do, but I can go on all night because they were so happy, and they shared a lot of love. My friend Siddharth told me, Shunar Bangla. So a lot of gold here, the goodness of heart, golden hearts, golden voices, and just golden souls of all the people in Bangladesh. And I, not being presumptuous, but I would like to say I come as an ambassador of entertainment and love from India. So lots of love to Bangladesh and lots of love to Dhaka.
As your ambassador of love, and entertainment, so how do you feel? What do you feel about the cultural exchange of our countries?
I personally believe, I hope I'm politically not incorrect, I personally believe that everyone in the subcontinent, we have the same culture, we have the same beliefs, we have the same way of living, and geographical boundaries don't really divide us. I have never thought of Bangladesh or India and other countries any separate from us. We all believe the same thing, we live the same thing. Maybe we don't speak the same languages sometimes, but I think there's a lot of love and the same culture and same beliefs. So I'm not a believer of boundaries, and especially when it comes to entertainment and culture and goodness, I think those are things which cross boundaries. So this is the first step for Bangladesh and India in terms of entertainment, and inshallah it will go on. I was very keen to come to Dhaka. I just called my children and told them that it's one of the nicest experiences of my life to come to Bangladesh. Yeah, it's beautiful. Your country is beautiful, and one has. When I was young, I used to hear Runa Laila ji, Damadam Mast Kalandar, Ali Dam Dam De Andar, Qazi Nazrul Islam. Yeah, they're all so wonderful. Jasmuddin. And then so many, they're great people. It's when it comes to poems, when it comes to singing, when it comes to art, I think there are no boundaries. So it's really wonderful to be in the land of all of these wonderful people, and all of you actually. I'll try and learn some Bangla so I can speak in your language.
Okay. So do you like to give some message for your millions of fans here?
Yes, most certainly. I would like to wish everyone in Bangladesh, 16th of December, it's your 40th Victory Day. Yes, Victory Day. So I wish you all the best, and I wish you victory in life. I wish you victory in happiness. I wish prosperity on your country and every person who lives in this country. And I wish you beyond anything, I wish you that Allah bestows upon you all the good wishes and all the love that He has in His heart. And inshallah, everything will go well for everyone here. And we are very proud on the 16th of December for Bangladesh's Victory Day. To all the viewers of Baishakhi TV, on behalf of Arjun Rampal, on behalf of Rani Mukherjee, on behalf of Isha Kopikar, Shefali, Neeraj, Chaudhary Saab, and all our team which has come from India, thank you very much from the bottom of our heart. We bow down and thank you for welcoming us so much. God bless you, and for the Hafiz.